What's up YouTube? Dave the Phone Guy here, and today we're gonna be unboxing the Beats by Dre Powerbeats3 wireless. So, you know what we're gonna do. I'm gonna open these up, I'm gonna put them on, I'm gonna tell you how they sound, I'm gonna tell you how they feel, I'm gonna give you my initial impressions. So, let's jump into the video. Alright guys, so this is what's on the box. Powerbeats3 wireless. Beats by Dre on the side. These have up to 12 hours of wireless play. 5-minute charge equals 1 hour of play, so that's good if you forgot to charge them. These are sweat and water resistant. So yeah, let's crack these open. Let's see. How do we open these? Right here, got a little pull tab. Let's do this. Let's do this. Pretty nice display, pretty cool. And here you got your different gel tips. Let's see. This little case. Bloop, bloop, bloop. That's gonna be able to hold your headset there. You got your USB cable. What else do we have? You know, the standard how-tos. Got your sticker. Get started guides, the usual stuff that's in these things. So let's see here. Performance, power, freedom. A little extreme getting into this. So these are wired, a little bit different. So you know, you're gonna be able to use these at the gym, be able to hang them around your neck. Let's see, which is the right, which is the left. A little cumbersome, but I guess if you're outside running, you're at the gym, they feel super secure, not like the normal TWS headsets that I've been trying. Yeah, these are not going anywhere. Not going anywhere. Let's get them paired up. Pair a new device. I'm assuming you're gonna hold down this power button right here. At least that feels like a power button. They're probably dead because, you know, it would be too easy otherwise. I'm gonna have to plug them in. I'm gonna have to charge them a little bit. That's what I gotta do. It's part of the game, I guess. What I noticed though, it's kind of disappointing. And I know these have been out for a little bit, but still, I like all my chargers to be the same. What is that? What is that? That's micro USB, not USB-C, micro. Micro is evil. This is going to bring down nations. Companies need to stop using this. USB-C, all things. That's what I say. So, I'll be back, well, at least for you, in a flash. Whoosh! I'm back. So, this one's on me. I didn't read the instructions. There's another button right up here at the top. That's actually going to be your power button. That's what I needed to use to pair the phone. Now I got this ready to pair. I'm gonna click on the Powerbeats3. Pair, let's put these on. What do I got? This is the left, this is the right. All right, let's listen to some music. Let's see, what do we got? What do we got? Let's go to that YouTube Top 100 again. Some heavy bass. I'm probably talking really loud because of the noise isolation. Can't really hear myself talking. Really heavy bass. So these things sound pretty good. Super heavy bass, very, very heavy bass. Again, let's go over some of the details of this thing. You have pause play right here. That was the button I was holding down to try to get these power beats to turn on, which was wrong because you got the power button up here on the actual headset. You got your volume control here, and then you're also able to adjust the length of the cord, which is nice. These sounded good overall. Again, really heavy bass. I think they'd be great for somebody that's working out, if you're outside running or doing some sort of activity where things can fall out of your ear kind of easily. The sound quality was good. So let's do our last and final test. Let's see what the actual mic quality sounds like. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the voice recorder app. We got it right there. All right. So this is the sound of my voice while I'm using the mic as audio as opposed to my boom mic, which is above me right around here. How does it sound? What do you guys think? How does it sound compared to the other headsets that I've used recently? Is this something that you can see yourself using? Let me know in the comments below. All right, let's stop that. Bang. All right, guys. These, again, Powerbeats3 wireless. Beats by Dre, not bad. Quick charge time, 60 minutes of listening with 5 minutes of charge. That's solid, especially if you forget to charge these things. I like this case. These fit in like that. That's it. That's all I got. I'm Dave the Phone Guy, but you already knew that. Guys, there's 3 things I need you to do for me. If you haven't already, please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell. That way you'll get notified of my next video. And I will talk to you in the next one.